We hope you didn't enjoy the song, Callum Scott, and you can always get him, that great gentleman who won British Got Talent, but since then he's been flying. Now, let's move on. Latest news headlines in our first story. Health officials of the Ghana Municipal Hospital's COVID-19 treatment center right here in Accra are worried about the increasing symptomatic cases of coronavirus infections. It has now been confirmed that more COVID-19 positive persons are now being hospitalized because more persons are showing symptoms and falling sick from the virus. The head of our health desk, Fred Smith, has more in the story.
The country has recorded up to around 300 cases on a daily basis, many of these showing symptoms of the infection, contrary to how the virus has behaved in the past 2 months.
It's important that we continue to maintain the infection prevention control practices, using our face masks, washing our hands frequently, not touching our faces without washing our hands, keeping to the social distance protocols. When we do all these things, we will see fewer and fewer cases. Now, what we realize is more people are getting ill from COVID-19. We used to see a lot more asymptomatic persons in the past, but now we are seeing more symptomatic people now, which is a worry. It shows that more people are staying home till they are really ill before they present to the health facility and are diagnosed with COVID. So again, if you are home and you have a fever, you have a cough, you have difficulty breathing, please don't just stay at home or buy paracetamol from the drugstore. Get to a health facility, get the appropriate clinical diagnosis, and if it's COVID, we can start treatment early so that you can have a full recovery.
JoyNews understands all treatment centers in Accra are now stretched, and some health professionals who've tested positive have been told to go to Cape Coast for treatment. Director General of the Ghana Health Service, Dr. Patrick Abuaje, however, denies this.
Currently, as at the last time, Ghana East has a capacity of 100 beds. As at yesterday, we had about 62 patients there.
But pharmacist and fellow at the Center for Democratic Development, Dr. Kwame Asiedu-Sapong, says he has information to support the report that the country's health systems may be indeed stretched.
We are hearing that more people are coming to hospital with symptoms.